Franklin saying, Taylor? In your own words.
Okay. He's saying that sports celebrities should not be, like, they shouldn't get paid more than Nobel laureates.
Yeah, it's it's crazy. Like, it's wrong to pay sports celebrities 10 times more than Nobel Prize winners. I don't know if that's what Nobel laureates are, but I'm just going to refer to them as Nobel Prize winners.
Mhm.
And then, what does Tamika say, Jillian?
I had a feeling you were going to call on me. Okay. She's responding to Franklin and saying that he's neglecting. Sorry, one second.
Okay.
Okay, so saying that you're neglecting to see that sports celebrities actually earn a lot more
money for their people, right?
Yeah.
This is like, okay, so my brother and I go at this all the time with women's sports, right? Like, women athletes should be paid more. And I'm like, yes, all of these things. And he's like, no, men athletes bring in more money, blah, blah, blah. Like, this is kind of what's going on here, right? It's like, hey, you're not thinking about that these sports celebrities are bringing in more money for their employer versus these Nobel laureates. Excellent.
Yeah.
And so what I typically do is I refresh myself with what person A said, and then I go through my answer choices. So I know this is a disagree, and I go through each answer choice and I ask myself, would person A, or in this case, Franklin, say yes or no to answer A? So A says Nobel laureates should be taken more seriously.
Yes.
So yes, no, or I don't know.
Yes.
I actually, like, what does anybody else say?
Nobel laureates? He's saying that they
Did you say that what person?
Oh, no, he didn't say that. That's not what he said. That's not what he said.
Yeah,
No.
Yeah. Should be taken more seriously? We don't know if it should be taken more. They just don't think that sports celebrities should be paid 10 times more.
Yes. You're right.
I would say I don't. Does everybody see why we're going to say I don't know to this?
I don't know. Okay, cool.
So the cool part about I don't know is we get to cross this answer choice off without even thinking about what Tamika said.
Okay.
So now I want everybody to go through on your own and put like yes, no, I don't know for B through E.
For A?
For B through E. Like, go ahead and do each answer choice on your own of what Franklin would say.
Okay.
For B through E. All right. So Emily, what would Franklin say to B?
I said that he was saying no.
Like, I was on the verge of like no versus I don't know.
Yeah, I
definitely led more towards no, because I think that he's thinking like both have this as inconsistent, but I also could potentially throw an I don't know in there, but I'll put no just for safety purposes. All right, what about C?
Wait. So okay, now I'm kind of reading that. This is probably where I'm messing up, because I said yes.
You think so? Franklin thinks that Nobel laureates should be paid more than sports celebrities.
Nobel laureates are paid. This is consistent to say paid more. Yes. Because I thought he was pushing for the Nobel laureates to get paid more than the sports celebrities.
Can you answer that, Anna? Can you answer Giovanna's question?
What was it again? I'm sorry.
I thought Franklin was pushing for the Nobel laureates to get paid more than the.
No, he's not necessarily doing that. He's just saying that it's inconsistent to pay the sports celebrities more than the Nobel laureates. He's not saying he's not taking one side over the other.
Excellent.
You said he isn't or is not. You said
he's not. He's not advocating that the Nobel laureates be paid more than the sports celebrities.
Okay. All right.
He's just saying that the sports celebrities should not be paid 10 times more than them.
Okay.
So I could say, Giovanna, you shouldn't make 10 times more than me, but that doesn't mean that I'm saying I should make more than you.
Okay. Okay.
Right?
Yes, I
Excellent.
got
All
you.
right. All
So
right.
that's a no? Okay,
So that's a no, yes. If you put I don't know for that, I think you would get away with that as well.
okay.
All right, so Atusa, what about C?
For C, I put I don't know.
Mhm.
Yeah, equally hard. And when it's I don't know, we get across. I love I don't know because we get to cross it off.
Okay, I did.
All right, Giovanna, what did you put for D?
I don't know. Uh-oh.
Does he think that there's a rational basis? There's no rational basis.
I didn't think Franklin had a rational basis, but Tamika did.
So he thinks that I think that Franklin is saying that they should like maybe not the same, but much more equivalent than what they're currently being paid.
There is no rational basis for the salary difference between.
So
Because
yeah, I think he would say yes to this. Like he's saying like there's no rational basis. Like why are these sports celebrities being paid more than these noble lucrates? Like does he think it's rational for this pay difference?
no, well, no, because he's asking why the laureate's making more.
Right. So he's saying there's no rational basis. Like, yes, there's no rational basis. He's like, this is crazy that they're getting paid.
Oh,
at
okay.
levels.
Okay. Okay, cool.
All right. And then Taylor, what about E?
I would say that he would disagree with that. Sports should be greater than they currently are because he's saying that the nobles, it should be equally paid.
But does that have anything to do with social contributions?
Oh, no.
No, so we gotta say, I don't know again.
Okay.
And so we have no idea. And so I love when this happens, right? Because now we only have two answer choices, potentially one, if you said, I don't know to B, that we have to consider for T. All right, so now look at our other two for B and D and go ahead and put what you think Tamika would say for that answer. And give me a reaction once you're finished.
Could you unerase this, please? I can't see. Or erase it, not unerase it, but could you clear it, please?
Oh. All right. Okay, so Jillian, what did you say for B? What would Tamika say for B?
She would say no.
Excellent. And then Sabrina, what would Tamika say for D?
No.
No, excellent. And so we literally only had to consider two answer choices. We're looking for what they disagree about. So we're looking for one that says yes and one says no. So our answer is going to be D. So it's not going to be B because they both say no. So they both actually agree saying no to that. So I know that this approach kind of